Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope everything is good, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Today is gonna be today is gonna be about playing Bloxburg, and I actually bought Robux, so I got like a chance to buy some cars and build a new house. And I'm sorry if I didn't show you guys, but I was like I couldn't show you guys. By the way, I changed. I'm a little kid right now because I was role playing, but yeah, it looks cool right here. So here's one of my cars. This is cost I think 3,200 Bloxburg. The Jeep cost $90,000, and right now I'm just building my house, you know. So here's the living room. Here's another living room. Here's like homework things or something like that. That's gonna be right there. Right now I'm just decorating it. So yeah. Here's the kitchen. Here's dining table. Here's breakfast tables. Well, counters, whatever. I didn't want to buy like expensive stoves, cause like it's not that. It's too expensive, so I just bought two of 300. It was only 600 bucks. So let's start decorating, guys. Okay, so let's paint this. I want to paint this the same color as that. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying the video, and make sure like at the end of the video, if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Right now I'm trying to get to 10 subscribers or more if I can, and I'm gonna make shout outs in the comments. Please put your username in Roblox so I can friend you and we can play some games. And I'm gonna start also I'm gonna start playing other games like Speed of Legend, like Arsenal, Jailbreak, other games, you know. So I just decorated this, but I wonder, how do you get the other trees instead of these trees, these old ones? Is this a tree? Oh yeah, this is a tree. Okay, let's find the other trees. Oh, I can't get this one. Growing externally, this well-known tree can grow to the next. Oh, all right. Damn, this looks cool. Damn. Watermelon plant unlock required 5 gardens. Damn, bro, he's creative. Damn, I wish I could own these, but I really want this one. This one right here. By the way, guys, I was role playing with Luna. That's why I'm a little kid right now. But yeah, hope you guys like the color of my cars, of the Jeep and the expensive. Wait, let me check which is called. It's called Bloke 6TS summer car. It's due 3,250, and as you guys can see, I have the 30 out of the 1,030,000 visits. Wait. 1 billion trophy, 30 visits, 7-day streak trophy, 14-day streak trophy, and I got this. I actually bought a lot. I actually had 13, but I put some this door, this in that door, and these doors, you know, as you can see, these doors. So, and guys, I'm working on my you know, when you start the video, I'm working on it. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. So yeah. Okay. So let's go over here. This is good, I think. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So I don't want to put computers there because it's too expensive. So maybe here I should put a bathroom. Yeah, let's put a bathroom here. Let's go to bathrooms. Which hot tub do we buy? Should we buy? I meant to say. Oh, I know what should we buy. I think we should do this. This thing, what's it called? I don't want to buy too much expensive ones. I can buy this ones. I can buy these. And like, I don't know, cause it's like real hard to do this. And no, this way. Let's do it this way. And here could be this. I'm gonna paint this black. Paint that black. Okay. It's doing real good. I really don't want this color. So white and red. It's too much black. Yeah, this is cool. That's cool. Okay. Let's paint these walls up. Okay. That right there. Okay, let's paint the walls. Paint that walls. And that walls. That's good right there, right? Yeah, that's good. Okay, so here's gonna be like a bedroom, so I'm not even barely finished at the bathroom. They don't master bathroom. But you poop and stuff. Okay, we can put it right here. Wait. Okay, there we go. Let's paint this white, black. Let's paint this wall. More. Same color as that. Let's paint this wall. That color. And guys, I'm gonna start like making other videos like role playing, playing other games like Tycoons, like playing other games in Roblox and other games like in my tablet that I have. So yeah. Okay, that would be it. Now we could put this one. This one's fine. There we go. Then I don't have that much money. Okay, guys. Oh. Can that be black? That'll be white. Okay. So I think this is done. Let's just need a carpet. Which carpet should we put? We should put this carpet. Nah. Yeah, this carpet. But like that. Okay, that's good. Now let's paint this white and that black. Here's gonna be this gonna lead to a bedroom. So we can put like a bedroom door here. Well, this is gonna be my bedroom. I think I'm gonna make a downstairs bedroom. I don't know why, but come on, you tell me this one doesn't work? You telling me that? Come on, double door. Okay, fine, I'll put one of these. And I'm gonna make a secret room. So, which bed should we put? Next video is gonna be about decorating downstairs. I'm gonna do it downstairs. So right now we're just decorating the upstairs, which is gonna be my room. The other downstairs. So that would be white. Red. That would be red. That would be red. Let's put that. Yeah. So guys, I'ma end this video right here because I gotta go to work and get more money. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And next video is gonna be about making downstairs. Like I'm gonna make it like right here, up here, and then more and more and more. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So see you guys.